guys, it's your girl Robin Lewis, wig designer and coach. I did a previous live video on Facebook doing this color application. So this is me just completing the color application to the desired color that I was trying to achieve. This is a burgundy to a bloody red color where I'm just, applying it to the wig. The wig is a 4x4 closure with two bundles of 12-inch kinky hair. I lightened this hair previously, so I'm just doing the color deposit using a 10 developer and the tube of color. You will see that I am here with my guitar and I have a hat on with the complete results. I also used the Nairobi foaming wrap to do a two-strand twist, and that's how I achieved this desired look. And yeah, it was what I wanted. The color came out perfectly, and I am happy with the color. Hope you guys enjoy. Drop a comment, click like and share, and hit the notification button so you can be notified when videos are uploaded every Thursday at 2 p.m. Thank you for watching. Have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.